Welcome in Heyyy Y'all I'm. I got everything you need on my channel, bruh. Ha. People always be mad at stupid stuff. So we tell them, what's up? Okay. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I got a little cold, but don't look at my eyebrows. Anyways, my friend wanted me to do her hair. So she wanted a purple lavender color. Like, I was like, all right, let's do it, girl. I didn't know what type of lavender she wanted. You know, like a bright one, close to periwinkle, or just like a dark lavender. But she just wanted a neutral type of lavender. So I got it for her. Y'all, I forgot where she got this wig from, but I will put the link in the bio. This was a nice wig. You hear me? Okay. A nice one. But she got it from Amazon, though. So, yeah, they may have some good gems. Yeah, so let's get into it. You feel me? Look at that bounce, mine. Look at that bounce, for real. I don't know. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, for real. And y'all bitch don't sponsor me. Come on now. So, yeah, like I told y'all, I got lavender. And I already had a lavender bottle open since I had dyed my hair lavender about, like, 3 weeks ago. Y'all, that shit was a fail, man. That shit was ugly as hell. Like, it wasn't ugly. But y'all, I got my wig from AliExpress and it looks like plastic. I'm gonna post that video too, just so y'all can see. That look like plastic, so stay away from that. But yeah, I wore it for a little day or two. But yeah, let's get back to her wig. Okay, bye. I'm gonna stop talking now. I love y'all. I forgot. Anyways, I had to add the violet gem in there because it wasn't getting as purple, lavender, whatever, like I wanted it to. So I just had like a little drop, dab, and y'all just talk about my color. I'm going for real. Bye.